Hello, good morning everyone. I'm going to show you what you should work on in Canvas before our Zoom meeting on Friday. So first you want to go to a browser like Chrome, and you can go directly to Canvas with this website, clarkcollege.instructure.com. Okay. Then you're going to put in your number. Your ID number will start with 20. You click the login. Okay. Choose your class, which is ESL 10 21323. Okay. Click on modules. Okay. All right. We did the technology pre-assessment in class. If you have not finished that yet, please do that. Okay, then do the learn activity. I sent you a video how to do that. Then you can do the discussion, and then please read each of these sections here. This will give you more information about Canvas and about the class. I also sent you some handouts. Tomorrow we will be practicing with the alphabet, and also we'll be doing more about ESL introductions. Good luck, and I will see you Friday at 5 o'clock.